Welcome back for day 3 of daily Rubik's Cube solves. I figured a new, better way to do my webcam so it's not on top of my monitor, so it's not as bad of a placement. It's now right in front of me on my desk on a nice little tripod that I found, so that should make it easier to get the cube in camera. And I'm gonna do like one blindfolded solve, and then one normal Rubik's Cube solve. Cause why not? I don't know. Okay, let's do this. Let's get this over my head. Oh, I'm very tired. Okay, let's get some inspection time. That's a piece that I need. That's a piece I need. There's a third piece that I need. There's the fourth for the cross. Okay, sure, let's do this. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. There's one of them. Yep. Is that one of them? Yep. Okay, I already got 3 pieces of the cross. That's too thick. I think that's too thick, right? Yeah. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it is. Where is this? There's the spot. So, let's see. Why isn't the cube turning? There we go. Let's see. Okay, I got all 4 pieces up there. Let's align. I just want to align a couple. Okay, so these 2 are swapped. God, I hate being sick. Okay. Oh, perfect. That is where that goes. Too thick. Where's the other pieces? Trying to figure out that. Okay, that's where that goes. I got half of the corners in. %. Where's the final corner? There it is. Oh, perfect. That already inserted that. I really hope this is in camera. It should be. I was itchy, or rather my eyelid. Okay, everything there is solved. Okay. See, identify. Okay. I identified the case there. So that's a nice corner there. So there. There. Okay. $4.51. Okay, that's pretty good. Oh, my eyes hurt. Okay. So that was a pretty decent solve. Okay. Let's switch to from 3x3 blindfold back to 3x3 because that's what I'm doing. I've not practiced this very much, but I took it with me on my trip. Well, I couldn't upload any videos, so I did get some practice in. And go. Where is it? There it is. Okay, that's not good. This is not a very good solve, I'm gonna be honest. Oh, 42nd, that's pretty good. Let's do another couple solves. But this time I'm playing better. $41. I felt like so much better to solve, but apparently I wasn't. Okay. Doesn't bother me really. Okay, let's see. Okay. Try and get my hinders in place. Okay. And go. Let's hope I didn't get rid of that case there, because that would have been super useful if I didn't, though I think I did. I think I very much did get rid of the case. Yeah, I did. Well, it's fine. I messed up the solve a lot. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna do one more solve and then, yeah, probably done for today. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot better than my previous solves. 38. Okay. That's a good way to end this video. Well, see you tomorrow. I really hope it turned out better with where the camera was facing and stuff, but who knows. We'll have to see when I edit the video. Well, anyway, bye.